Traffic 57, I'm in the area, all eyes.
You're on this episode of Bad Traffic.
I was gonna say, what am I on top?
How come you don't wear a seatbelt? You an anti-seatbelt guy? Let's go in the parking lot. Go to the parking lot. You can buckle the teddy bear in to show them how it's supposed to go. All right? Today's the Friday edition of Bad Traffic with Traffic Tucker. My goal is to come out, patrol around, catch everybody obeying all the traffic laws. No one's crashing into each other. However, I don't believe that's going to happen today. So we're going to go out and find some bad traffic.
Traffic 57, I'm in the area, all eyes.
Morning. How's everybody doing?
Morning. Doing all right. How about you?
I'm doing great.
Was hit by a guy in a box truck. The box truck is down there somewhere.
All right.
He's been down to visit, but then he walked off. I don't know.
Okay. Do you have her license and all that yet? Or
Yeah,
she's
I
still?
got information. I did not grab my
All right. All right. Do you have your license with you? Thank you. I can look that up for you, Lieutenant, if you want to. Wait a second. You're on this episode of Bad Traffic.
I was gonna say, what am I on top?
Let's see. Get over that side. Ooh, I messed it up pretty good.
Lane Avenue calls.
We responded to a crash with injuries. She's being transported to the hospital. Right out of this, I gathered the information for this car. I've called for backup to come and help me move the car because I can't, there's so much going on right here. Basically, it's in the roadway. The other vehicle's up here somewhere. I got to find that vehicle. But I can't leave this one here because someone else will crash into it. Truck? Is it a dump truck? All right. Just comes over.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have all your information, your driver's license and stuff?
Es my choice.
Okay. ¿Habla español?
Sí,
Bien, un poquito. Quería aprender español.
sí.
¿Y tu licencia, registration? ¿Cómo vas mal? Eh? Still drivable? Oh, sí. I thought maybe it hit up there. Yeah, I'm at the other vehicle that stopped further down the north of the original crash. We looked at some video, trying to put all the information together because the trucks, there's like a business, so they're not really that organized sometimes. So I have to handwrite everything down just to make sure. Is that Viejo? Is that Viejo, old damage? This is all nuevo? Today? Hoy? All right, that's Viejo, right? That's the Viejo?
Yeah, it's, my yard is...
Okay. The registration is expired. It's all right here. So this is the numeros, case number, state issue number, photos, information. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yours, tus, ellas. Right, the key, okay?
Thank you very much.
Juntos? All right. Suave. All right. You all right? It's good news. It's always good news when I go to the hospital and you're not there. Do you have insurance? Because I couldn't find it on the registration. What does that mean?
That's State Farm.
Oh, State Farm. Do you have the number, the policy number? Because usually they attach it to all your information to the car, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it in the thing.
I have it's on my phone.
Yeah, I'll just get it from your phone.
Okay.
So, do you remember what happened?
All I know, I came across the first street.
Gilchrist?
Yeah, Gilchrist. Now right here in the median, I was looking. My lane was clear for me to go. Soon as I proceeded to go, to turn, bam, I was hit. And
Stupid phone's making noises.
and I seen that he stopped way down there.
Yeah, they thought he hit and ran, but he just couldn't slow down
Or stop
in a better place. So he has video, so I'm gonna show you the video of it.
but I'm trying to get it so you can see it. God. See, he's going north on New Kings. And that's you. You don't remember that? I don't blame you. You're in a car accident. So I'm just going to give you a failure to yield citation.
Okay.
All right. Let me explain everything else to you too. Here's all your information. I didn't steal it, okay? This is the issued number by the state of Florida. This is our local case number. Everybody's information, insurance stuff. I don't have your insurance offhand, so it's not written here, but you know your insurance, all right? But the other driver, all his information is in here, including my information is here. So if something happens, you have to go back to the hospital. Definitely if it upgrades to something else. I'm not a doctor. I don't know how to, you know what I mean? If something comes out, please let me know and I'll update the report, okay? Here's all your information. I just gave you a failure to yield citation. It's a $164 fine. Scooch on a little bit more by that black mailbox. Scooch in by that black mailbox. There you go. You all right? Man, you can't pass in the no passing zone.
Yeah, no, I'm in a rush. I gotta use the bathroom.
All right. How come you don't wear a seatbelt?
I just left the grocery store.
I got you. One on Broadway? Yeah. All right. Hey, is this a good address for you?
Yeah.
Hey, can you scooch up, see that black mailbox? You can kind of like just go right outside there so that people can get by, all right? I'll scooch up there so no one gets you, all right? How old's this child?
He's 4.
You have a seat for him?
Nah,
Can you roll down your window? Did it roll down? It's still down. He's got to be in a child seat, man. Hey, buddy, you got to sit down.
sit down, bro. This ain't.
How come, whose car is this?
This is my mother's.
All right. You know, do you have a child seat for him?
Yeah, but he ain't in here. I ain't gonna lie to you.
All right. How far you got to go?
I'm finna go right here to Lennox, but I gotta go and pick up some crab. That's really why I'm in a rush.
Over there at the store?
Yeah.
All right. Well, hold on, man. Let me get back to you. Well, I didn't get him on speed, but he was probably speeding too. So he has a 4-year-old back there. Didn't even try to like put him in a seat. Are you able to like scooch him home so you don't have to keep on driving without a seat for him?
Yeah, I'm finna take him back to the daycare.
Oh, where's that at?
Right down Lennox, 420 Lennox Avenue.
Lennox?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Yeah, take your time getting there, all right? Especially passing in the no passing zone. You hit on with somebody, you're both going to be hurt. All right?
I'm in a rush, bro.
I got you. It happens to the best of us, all right? I'm just going to give you seatbelt tickets for both of you, all right? The double yellow ones, a moving violations, $164 fines. I'm going to warn you about that one, okay? These are seatbelt tickets. They're both $114, but there's no points to it, all right? I'm giving this teddy bear. It's my last one. You can buckle the teddy bear in to show him how it's supposed to go. All right?
Nice though.
You want that? He'll be like his best friend now. He'll just throw that iPad away. All right, you be careful, all right, man? Please be careful. All right, especially with your precious cargo. Look at him, he's got them there Jordan 11s right there. That's Michael's favorite shoe right there. You got them dunks, right? I'm trying to look for those Travis Scott ones.
Oh, I don't know. I got these on sale though.
All right. They might be fake, but they look good. All right, man. Be careful.